You are listening to the Medford, Oregon NOAA Weather Radio, serving the western Siskiyou County on 162.400 MHz. Detailed forecast for western Siskiyou County today: mostly cloudy. Scattered rain and snow showers this morning. Isolated thunderstorms through the day. Numerous rain and The National Weather Service has issued a freeze warning for western Siskiyou County, California, effective until 8 a.m. Monday. Freeze warning is in effect from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Monday. What for the freeze warning? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 25 degrees expected. Where? Some valleys of western Siskiyou County in California and eastern Curry, Josephine and Jackson counties in Oregon. Areas most susceptible include the cities of Ashland, Applegate, Jacksonville, Ruch, Williams, Cave Junction and O'Brien in Oregon, and Happy Camp, Fort Jones, Greenview and Etna in California. When? For the freeze warning, from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. PDT Monday. Impacts: frost and freezing conditions will kill crops and other sensitive vegetation. Freeze warning in effect from 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday for western Siskiyou County.